Okay, here is the secret to making easy sales. You want to make some easy sales? I'm going to give it to you right here and right now. Why do it hard if you can do it easy? All right? When you go to the bank with that money that you want to deposit, they don't ask you, hey, look, now did you make this money hard or did you make this money easy? They don't care. Look, making money easy is smart. Why do it hard if you don't have to? There are easier ways, and here it is. This comes from my book on page 17. My book, Stay Home and Sell. A great salesperson can't make anyone buy something they don't want. That's why we use a marketing system to get the very best prospects to raise their hand, so to say, as an analogy only, and show us and prove to us that they are interested. This lets the best prospects qualify themselves by jumping through the hoops that we place in front of them. So it's the power of two-step marketing. Sometimes it's 3 steps or more. You know, here's the irony of two-step marketing. The customer, the prospect, they're the ones that feel like they're empowered. And people want to be empowered these days. Nobody wants to be high-pressured or whatever. Everybody hates a pushy salesperson, right? Right. Because people want to feel like it's their choice. And so when you're using marketing systems that get the very best prospective buyers to come to you because you're making them some specific action and you're telling the story and you're getting them excited, and then they're going through your process that you put in place. That's what we call jumping through hoops. It's a process that you put in place. Could be a webinar that they listen to or watch. Could be an audio recording. Could be a booklet. We've printed up God only knows how many hundreds of thousands or millions of booklets over the years because it's a nice format. It looks like an actual book, but it really is a sales vehicle, so to say. But be that as it may, the best prospects they identify themselves. And then through the action that they take, they prove that they're serious. And then they go through a process. We like to use webinars or audio recordings, many times over an hour long. So who's going to listen to an hour audio recording and then afterwards take the action that you want them to take? Who's going to do that? The answer is only the very, very, very best prospective buyers. Forget all the rest of them. The secret to making easy sales is just weed out, you're searching for the few who will versus the many who won't. You're just looking for the best people, and you're letting them come to you. They feel empowered, but the irony is you're the one with the real power. There it is, right there. So they're the ones that feel like they're in control, but who's really in control? It's you. It's just a smarter way to make money. I feel so sorry for people that are cold prospecting and trying to do a whole bunch of things that the marketing systems that we create and develop can do for us. And look, this is nothing new here. What I'm describing, there is some new technology that makes it so much more effective. And yet, this concept that I'm describing is hundreds of years old. When I first got into the business in the late 1980s, my wife and I, it was called mail order back then. And it was a form of selling that required no personal intervention at all. And now we call it direct response marketing. So it's a very proven, established, old kind of marketing method that is perfected and fine-tuned and improved greatly by the modern miracle of technology. But ultimately it works because you're only searching for the few who will, not the many who won't. And this is a way for those people to feel empowered. They feel like they're the ones in control. They feel like they're the ones coming to you. Therefore, their guard is down. They're not all, they're not protecting themselves so much. And if you put them through the right process, which we teach our clients how to do, then here's where the magic is. When they come to you, they're already pre-sold. And now all you have to do is just take them the rest of the way. Some of them need a few more questions answered. And some of them, they all need to be upsold or cross-sold or down-sold, They all need to be, special deals need to be worked out and stuff like that. That's the fun part of selling. Why just let the marketing systems do the heavy lifting. Let it do the ugly, dirty work. And then you just get to do the very best part of it, which is the negotiation process, the rapport building. You get to be the trusted advisor and the expert, not just some salesperson who's trying to get their money. So that's the easy way to make sales. If you're one of my clients, you're learning all of this and how to do it. If you're not one of my clients and you want to know more about what we're doing, click on the link below. Thank you, and bye for now.